There's a company generating $40,000 a month. No employees, no office, no investors. Just one person, a laptop, and a stack of AI tools running on autopilot while they sleep. And the wild part? 3 years ago, this exact business would have required a team of 12 people and a seed round to even launch. That's not a success story. That's a structural shift in how businesses get built, and if you're still thinking about entrepreneurship the way you were taught to think about it, you're already behind. Welcome back to Venture Void. If you're new here, this channel exists for one type of person, the solo founder, the small operator, the person who wants to build something real without the overhead, the politics, or the dependency on other people showing up. Today we're going deep on the one-person business model that is quietly, methodically replacing entire startups in 2026. Not side hustles, not freelancing. Actual scalable businesses being run by a single human with AI, doing the heavy lifting across operations, marketing, fulfillment, and customer communication. Stick with me because by the end of this, you're going to see the full picture, how it works, what it replaces, what it actually costs to run, and what nobody is telling you about the downside. The problem with the traditional startup model was always the same thing dressed up in different language. You have an idea. The idea requires capital. Capital requires proof. Proof requires a team. A team requires management. Management requires more capital. And suddenly you're running a company instead of building a product. The average seed stage startup in 2023 burned through $85,000 a month just in salaries before a single dollar of revenue came in. You needed a developer to build the thing, a designer to make it look credible, a marketer to get it in front of people, an ops person to keep the wheels on, and a founder who could somehow hold all of that together while pitching investors every 6 weeks. For most people, that ceiling was the dream killer, not the idea, the infrastructure required to execute the idea. And here's what changed. The cost of intelligence dropped to almost zero. Not just AI writing tools, we're talking about AI that can write and deploy code, design functional interfaces, manage customer support queues, generate and schedule marketing content, analyze business data, draft legal documents, run outreach campaigns, and do it all in a coordinated workflow that runs 24 hours a day without a salary, without equity, and without a single Slack message at 11 p.m. asking for clarity on a deadline. The model that's replacing startups in 2026 looks like this. One person identifies a narrow, underserved market, not a broad vertical, a specific pain point inside a specific industry. Let's say it's automated reporting for independent insurance brokers. That's not a guess, that's a real gap. Independent brokers spend between 6 and 10 hours a week manually compiling client portfolio summaries and regulatory compliance reports. There are roughly 415,000 independent insurance agents in the United States alone. A solo founder builds a SaaS tool using a combination of no-code platforms like Bubble or Softer, AI integrations through OpenAI's API, and automation infrastructure through Make or N8N. Total build cost? Somewhere between $200 and $800, depending on complexity. Monthly infrastructure costs to run it at scale? Under $300 until you're past 1,000 active users. They price it at $97 a month. Get 200 customers. That's $1,900 to $400 a month in recurring revenue, with a 90% margin because there's no team. Now multiply that model across different niches. AI-generated SEO content for dental practices, automated client onboarding systems for boutique law firms, custom chatbot support tools for e-commerce brands under $5 million in annual revenue, niche newsletter businesses monetized through sponsorships and digital products. Each of these can be built, launched, and operated by one person using the same stack of tools. The pattern is identical. Identify pain, build a targeted solution, automate delivery, and price at a point where the ROI for the customer is obvious. What this model is actually replacing is significant. It's not just replacing the traditional startup, it's replacing the agency. The 5-person content agency that charged $8,000 a month for blog posts and social media management is being undercut by one person using a combination of Claude or GPT-4 for drafts, Midjourney for visuals, and a scheduling tool to deliver the same output at $2,500 a month with better margins and faster turnaround. It's replacing the software consultancy. The boutique dev shop that took $60,000 and 6 months to build a custom internal tool is being replaced by a solo operator who uses Cursor or Replit's AI-assisted development environment to ship a working prototype in 3 weeks for $4,000. It's replacing the virtual assistant business. Entire VA agencies built around inbox management and calendar handling are being automated away by AI agents that handle the same workflows at a fraction of the cost. And perhaps, most importantly, it's replacing the venture-backed SaaS startup. The days of needing $2 million to build and market a software product in a niche market are ending fast. One person with the right tools, the right positioning, and 6 months of focused execution can build a $20,000 to $50,000 per month business without a single outside dollar. The tools making this specific stack work in 2026 are worth naming precisely. For product development, Cursor and Bolt are being used for AI-assisted coding. For automation and workflow orchestration, Make and NA10 are the backbone. For AI integration, OpenAI, Anthropic, and Grok APIs handle the intelligence layer. For customer support automation, tools like Intercom with AI workflows or purpose-built agents built on top of GPT handle 80 to 90% of Tier 1 support without human input. For marketing, a combination of AI-generated long-form content, automated email sequences through Beehive or Kit, and short-form video using tools like HeyGen for faceless presentation are driving consistent top-of-funnel traffic. The total monthly cost to run this infrastructure at a mid-scale operation sits between $400 and $900 a month. Against $20,000 or more in recurring revenue, that math is almost obscene. Now here's the catch, and this is where most people stop watching because they want the fantasy version. The catch is that none of this works without sharp positioning and genuine domain expertise. AI that does not do your thinking for you, it executes. The person running one of these businesses still needs to understand the customer deeply enough to identify a pain point that's real, specific, and underserved. They still need to write copy that converts. They still need to make product decisions and interpret what the data is telling them. The mistake most people make is treating AI as the strategy layer when it's actually the execution layer. Strategy, positioning, customer insight that still lives in the human. And there's a second catch that's less comfortable to say out loud. This model creates concentration risk. When you are the business, one health crisis, one burnout cycle, one major platform change to a tool you're dependent on, and the whole operation is fragile in ways that a team-based business is not. The solo founder has to build redundancy into systems and documentation the way a company builds redundancy into headcount. That discipline requires intentionality that a lot of people skip when things are going well. The businesses winning with this model in 2026 are not the people who stumbled into it. They're the people who studied the infrastructure, picked a niche with enough money and enough pain to support a premium price, built lean, automated hard, and stayed focused on a single problem long enough to become the obvious solution for it. They're generating real revenue, working fewer hours than they did at a job, and building something with equity value that doesn't require managing other people's emotions to keep running. The window for this is open right now, not because AI is new, it's been here, but because the combination of tools, the maturity of no-code infrastructure, and the cost reduction in AI compute have only just reached the point where a single person with clarity and discipline can genuinely compete with teams. That window will close. It always does. The market catches up, competition consolidates, and the advantage moves to whoever got in early enough to build the distribution and the brand, while others were still deciding whether to start. If this kind of content is useful to you, real frameworks, real numbers, no hype. Subscribe to Venture Void. New videos drop every week covering the tools, models, and strategies that actually matter for solo founders building in 2026. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one, because the next one matters too.